Hi friends, welcome to online digital shops. Friends, we are dhanamtej.com. We are a digital agency. Basically, we help you take your business online. Nowadays, during the corona, most of the shops they have not built up their website and they have not able to sell their products online, so they were having a very difficult time. So what we do is we take your business online. Dhanamtej, you can say it's a gateway for your digital growth. We specialize in helping the business get online. Okay, so what we do is we take up any kind of website design and we host your website. We purchase the domain for you. Basically, we do starting from the purchase of the domain to hosting of the website online. So your business is globally showcased and you can promote your business via online media. So basically, it's a website designing, and we have number of clients who have already taken our services. You can see this is a business website and this is a tax consultant website. Before corona, all these people they did not have any website, but gradually they have taken our services and have gone online, and now they can promote their business via online social media. I will come back to social media at later stage, but basically we'll try to understand that these are all online websites which help in promoting your business globally via social media platforms and on the online platform. Also, we can build up a career portfolio website for your career uplift. You can send your CVs for any career job friend portals. You can just forward this CVs website directly. It is a career portfolio website. And also you can nowadays all the schools they have gone online, and you can take up tuition classes. And once you visit to dhanamtej.com, you can just click the visit site and you can directly go to the website and see what exactly the contents are. But this is only a preview of those websites. And even you can build up your own Amazon affiliate website. All these things we support and do the service. You can take up you can avail our services to understand more detail about this Amazon affiliate websites. Also, you can build up your own cooking blog websites, yoga websites, or any kind of blog as such. So all this we provide, starting from the domain purchase to website design, building, and as well as posting services, all in one inclusive package we provide you. Apart from this, we also take up social media. Once your website is online, you maybe wanted to promote this business via a social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. We build up a social media platform for your business. Once your website is ready, you may want to have further to avail these services of promoting your business online via the social media platform. So we basically set up the social media platforms for your business purpose, which you can use to promote your business. There are many types of business like e-commerce business also there. Shopify is there. So suppose you are interested to have a website on Shopify, but Shopify, they charge you monthly around $25 for some limited products. But instead of that, if you go for a full-fledged e-commerce website, then no need of paying this monthly payment. But it can be a one-time payment to build up your e-commerce website. So we provide tips and guidance on the best way to market your business online once you have been set up with your new online tools. We can set up Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, which can promote your marketing strategies. So basically we are expertise in Google ads, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads. We are certified. We have certificate professionals for promoting these ads on these platforms. So you can avail our services in the marketing arena also. And these are some of the demo websites which as I told you, the blog website can be a personal trainer or it can be a yoga website. So all these are our demo websites. You can just click here and visit the site, and you can just go through in detail, and we can replicate as it is or much better than this as per your requirement, which suits your business. We can do. Basically, dhanamtej.com is a digital agency which promotes your digital growth, and also we are expertise, as I told you, in Facebook ads, Google ads, and YouTube ads. So just go through our website and try to understand our services, which may be very much useful for you. And nowadays the website technologies have been drastically improvised, and there are a lot of new features have come up. For example, if you see here down, this is a social media warfare, you can say. For example, it's a free version which has limited social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and there may be a chargeable also, which you want to add up some more things which you require, maybe WhatsApp, Telegram, and other social media platforms, which is slightly payable, but you can use in the initial stage, you can use these things. But for you to understand, the basic thing is once you click share, Facebook share, this website will go and post on your personal Facebook newsfeed. For example, you have some 100, 200 people's friends list. All those friends will receive on Facebook your business website. Suppose you are going and clicking Instagram, you are in Instagram, just log in with a username, password. This website will be directly posted on your friends in your newsfeed, and all your friends can see this. So it's a big advantage. Like suppose some of them have 500,000 contacts in their social medias like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. This will directly go and post on the news feeds as a post or a Facebook post. It is a very advantageous feature for promoting your business without spending any money. This is a free support services provided by one of the plugin called Social Warfare. So this is how it goes, friends. You can contact us. Ours is a registered company in Hyderabad. This is our email ID. You can just contact us in this mobile, or you can just put your requirements on support@dhanamtej.com. Then we will immediately get in touch with you for any of your requirements. You can just click here and just check our contact details. If you require any of our services, you can just fill up your name, your number, email, your message. Then we will get back to you. Also, you can go through our certifications. This is a digital marketing course, web hosting course certificate, and we have all the Google Ads campaign manager certification. Then you can see display video 360 Google Ads video certification. So all this will be very helpful for to promote your business on the digital media. If you take up our services, we can just help you and assist you in a very best pricing. We can give a free consultation as well. Before you take up any decision, we can give you a free consultation on how you can bring up, as our main homepage says, take your business online, your gateway to digital growth. We specialize in helping business get online. So that is the main motto, to make your business get online. That is the main motto. Once your business is online, then the second step, we can go through all the social media platforms, Google Ads, to promote your business at very economical, very best price. Even you want, we can convert your website into a mobile development service. That's it, friends. So just go through our website, dhanamtej.com, then get back to us. We have given all the services from the domain hosting to web design development, and also we can attach the payment gateway on online payment services. We can provide you. Stripe India is there, PayPal is there internationally. Locally we have Stripe. Then a lot of other payment gateways suitable to you like Google Pay, Paytm. All this we can give you a brief idea how to go about this. So thank you, friends. Just go to our website dhanamtej.com and get back to us with your feedbacks, and any assistance is required to promote your business online. Please get in touch with us. Thank you so much.